kasa. Almost 100 and something. And they kitame. 130 cedis was 140. I forgot. Kaswa. And a parent be adding their say Robem. Okwa now their man. No their koto near ya signing off. No, you don't call. Obano famaya or say mommy, if you don't bring it you will not allow us to go. Obana we school no, ya jiomo. Yeah, go school money ya de call.
Yes, signing the clearance form, mano.
Exactly. And these are issues I cause to see Ubia or your parent be any.
You see, I'm beginning to understand the reason why.
Funny no fair. Sankwasi asem your mood in you now. Maybe say me secondary school, me trouble school, just pajama school because of that. Say funny no fair. Maybe university I'm a call in now. Me the computer the na I'm the call. Funny enough, you don't need that results to go to the university. They make cannot say. Eddie and Kwalano, the parent can tell them say yentia. Mebano, the school cannot hold your child there. Enyamra. If any parent catch us headmaster no over banyama no catch us on penema for bankwa. Enyamra. The only thing the headmaster can do is own issue certificate nema. Obano pass ya oko computer so for Ghana card. For apply for university, all you need is your online results. The university will go to the schools and verify themselves. Who here says school BBA, maybe school, basically no be some wasi results and I saw me secondary school and means you also conquer because men find your ship. Some of these things they threaten their children, almost threaten Kwalan, they threaten their children, no mama, Krana ye, they become vulnerable and they expose their children. Because I don't see the reason say first year about and we have the access about no business. Final year you know if you cannot keep your school clean, or no final year now when you school no school
Sasa, let me say this. Who say a Kufuado year school no personal? Or see dormitories to be break down. The most of the dormitories no see here no. Oh yeah, wooden wardrobe ne block wardrobes were a denim. Akwele bi akwa. Unfa mattress kranko. Most of the schools no mattress be break. Me bani say maybe your call and then the mattress was not using, so I bought a mattress home. Do you know what they did? At a point in time, you do school sinibino. The mattress has been taken. Yeah, you mattress na then every ho. And you be sa wo for ne say oba mattress way. Most of the schools no a Kufuado see dormitories ni be pre ho na mattress wo. Me see say nka mo benya GSI former you can say administrators for ni bia. Nka akua mama on komra me church sanse me. And the school the school's authorities.
Mama, be some question. Me enter me put down. Bomb me an upper for hours. Marcus, upon the boss me pisa. The person me can say, you know, it's not happy so. Ekaye, sa. And then the yanka. Ghana for chose. Monko to abapao. Because and yet doctrine chinam at that moment no. And just say. What do you want? On test, you can't. If you don't catch it, say, Massa, school bit. Oh, yeah, I be chair body, a bit chair by a bit chair, idea. When you're with your dance here. Ghana fully be a car, Sassy. Stick into TVET, STEM schools. That is how you build a nation. Then, who could on the STEM, some of Diago. In 222 kwanya na okobe bia tech ejuma India phone kwana ye ene owa no afraid T-Mobile say hey mo issue a kuni obi o India ene kasa on the mention we na ye catch Ghana for ye catch on won to abapa but answer mental and person be sorry for na e ba stem ne sa TV school na and so no omo jiji never wait na so ya na say I don't know.
Different school no crowd. They say they are say me pacho obi owo abomosu STEM schools for here.
I say
mo nkɔhwɛ abomusu STEM schools. Ekuya, me say na me ya adom nanka fat base we amanya ekwan a ekuya yankɔ ye documentation wɔ abomusu STEM schools. Ekuya abomusu STEM schools, the kind of trauma FM no and na me catch one of the presenter at Happy FM say me person mo call because my can gropuntie. Look, the reason why unti STEM schools ni say womu wa akade and I say enema womu de ye sa womu practicals no and the kufuado na eba free un say eba in months I think I forgot how I eba no but the eba in material so womu ye science pure science ni ade no obekono engineers no obekono omu yusu na ye de akọ lab ni akọ test ni akacho so wetimi aye say 8 months ni omunye exhibition da 8 months and the kufadu every 3 months bia na omunye exhibition ni ewu nkola na adwuma na omaye ebinum kratimi ye blood group ekuya womu check moja and the kufadu na STEM schools ni nkola ni bi ukọ Bosomtwe secondary school ye kokọ ye balloting bi o enkola no me koye akola o be ye 15 years or trimi moja test me blood group ekuya that was it and they may bisa o se enkola no omo da so ye that exhibition nana and I say then
say kwari ohun orimpo e say ohun kra
na last time fefe no musi wo East Legon no eno so akosi say
enu ntina
me na me say enkola wo ene e wo say
anu ne je ye adwuma o ye adwuma ya ne nan so mo ye posting kra ko ana
no tie ni nyina ye adwuma be
the way akufo ado panel no enye sa no mo running no
abeti enye say ye STEM schools ni nya adwuma o but who say at the akufo ado time no wo mo ye exhibition na apart from exhibition no na enkola no so etimi ema ye hu the kind of knowledge a omunya wo ma ye engineer wo ma ye science ni ade say no me bisa say under the 10 months of Bahama what they say yaka say STEM school say wa bomosu STEM school kra wa Bosomtwe STEM school kra wa Accra ha what they say wo mu ye exhibition bi ana say o ma ye program bi a very effective ana that is what I'm asking because
exhibition you say ye hu bie mo exhibition
you hu bie
you are first say even and yes time for no kwa o omo ye TVET no technical for no omo say aboso kan macho ne abobo ya no na ade omo tutu cars na ade no omo ye we seeing all these things on the internet nyini na ayira
abekusika papa no de ko top pad and osi opese okosi osi obesi park bio sedai over million pack. Also, we see some pack be crime. Oh, right. I saw it somewhere. I just forget. I'm going to comment on master. This man cannot even complete agenda 111.
When I yobo yosi obesi factory no. We are Nana Addo krade kakra hye mu school eno kra
yo ma atumu no ba akoda
mi si fam kra mi si fam be that's it.
Okay, all right.
Now we mention we are your MPP for people why they are worried about the wrong things. And can be say customer not here the picture say check Ghana for because one of the major we are Nana Addo or investing in education. STEM schools, TVET. I mean the buildings no them are not our office so amazing. Over compare buildings because we na F class buildings be free. Na inyema a womb. Now just students in a pad. Was spend over 300 million pad. The same TVET and our STEM schools so they need materials. Some of the schools they were about 70 to 80% complete. Me sure say Mahama kwa akasom konko to aso. I mean, this man, no, these people, they don't want to invest in any child, like somebody invest in any education in Ghana. And so we are, it's not up with so, and they gotta focus aside. We told them, please, 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 don't bring these people back. Mema Mahama and Samba. Oh, yeah, Fahon. Dokono boy a day. Ukojema, we boy a day. Now, almost a Jimmy for cabbage now. And I shall for another boy a day. I mean, look at this. That's how if you know one bar. These people made a decision for you. They voted. A Jimmy Fund, they voted. You didn't vote. Say me buafu. Me buafu. Because many people be amba. Not to say you. Sorry, I didn't get about me yet. Let's say you, Jimmy. Them corner me buafu privilege. Oh, they have a person like that. We are so privileged. Kono kotwaban ujimi. And someone, me say me trace my bush and phone be framing. Say me for be scam. Allah. Me found the culture. Me mobiare. Me mobiare. Just say, I home man. Utu say, Hobiano, almost see education on the start here. Education, educate the people. Because when the people are educated now, they can make decisions be a bit more ball mind because they're gonna start caring about the country. And then Ghana will be on Ghana. And then Galamsey, you took Galamsey Ama, Akoshe, railway, a Dawa, a Bayer Bokaya railway, no, Nakoseno, you really already, you're train, and I didn't be Biada. Utu Kwai now, ba, no one say, oh wow, these people know they have everything going on. But Bomono, Omonko say, I dear Bass, bomb. No, Galamsey, Akose railway, no, on a number.
Some more. In
Okoka
fact,
na
what they
kwasia
need
na
railway
kwasia bia
assembly.
basia abeka che say MPP never again kwasia ya still railway road railway where ebeboa obi ano na kwasia bia be transia say MPP and lies oba bisia obofo kran yeso nka ho you know me ka dey tikra na me ha me ho abotre I guess I come da I na me ha me ho
Koda,
I na me ha me ho I na me ha me ho etie on my crank for mutim pokra they don't even care about the country they don't. Why am I even here listening? And so we are knowing that Jimmy Fubi, Albert Nasa, catcher say, so I didn't know who Abeku, who said, Yako 2 when I say, zero, yes, no. And so I'm a time catcher say, lies. About that's not how the catcher say, lies. This is just ridiculous.
And no, I'm fine who, or no, Yano Crampo. Or no, now, Atem, yet again, Obi say, or no, Abano Kotu in or two because. Or Pesama Hama Babesha military attire into or Washington and Okuma Tony Yum for the next 4 years.
Look at
Mama,
this.
Yashi. Is it when you are worried about these people now? Look, and Yaman Crofudina so the Kotua Bane, eh? So Mubium and Numo can. Ubube Fumo. I have come for life to the reasons why. In Ora, Obisi Ora, Mama, Ora, about presidency, and one no.
Ora, and one of it.
Hey, Ghana to tip and some school need to tip pro and fan of horse. I am in Moshe, Unyashi.
Sanitary pad or prospectus so. Toiletries now more cano. Toiletries maybe Bobama. This year, toiletries maybe ewa henfa.
Hey,
I was so. Omo sanitary pad the BM film and as also very good. Oba prospectus also. Toiletries, ya listed 1 deodorant, 1 pack of a tea roll, toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, pomade, 2 packs of sanitary pad for girls. Wait now what 20 the mechanics is here. Now what 2024-2025 academic year. Mamenko 2026 academic year na menchira wa de say enu so ni wono mo a. Wo pa me se ko geshub.org ewo ho. geshub.org me say toiletries ewo ho enu so san wo ho. 1 deodorant, 1 pack of tea roll, one friend say toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, pomade, 2 packs of sanitary pad for girls. Is your mama sanitary pad no so better chama anyway.
Yehovah.
GSF omo oyi omo dia beto abonten. Omo we. Omo prospector said that omo official website. Kona kwa yesa sanitary pad in Iswa. And so ya did Ghana 300 million Ghana cedis ya de kwa sanitary pad the above mine. And so when GS4 issue omo release omo prospectors. Still na sanitary pad also. Some munsu yansa.
Charlie. Ya bokegu.
Osianom yet ya ka kire mo ese NDC fu obu ye komo NDC fu na mo ka say MPP fu na pekasa me say enkokoma day old chicks kokwa beku ye ton ba ako betin ba ku say single one e dia ma ye 67 pesos
asa enkokoma no me ba
67 pesos no mebu agu
hey
just do the math adebio anybody so 3 million a day old chicks nyasa 3 million day old checks no ever cost you 200 million. Do the division.
And you divide the same thing.
Do the division. And so we'll check it the actual price. So you and Coco Buana Casancasa, the actual price of Coco 15 cities. What you saying Casan Coco 3 million when you go Beku, ever cost you 45 million Ghana cedis.
Hey!
Into a mobu 155 million and no mobu. Ya can't look at Casan and Nipape. Omo 155 million kwa no mabu agum.
Hey, Yezu.
Aba papa.
Wow.
Aboa.
Philip was there wow.
Na see
mo me say mo de mo de da.
O tudru baby, mo na ma adwa ankoso. Wase ya
Mo
wa
de da.
duma yo,
Mo
ya
de
wa
da na
duma
krono me say
yo.
Kwa be ku asre me say. They like rob you. And this for no mo fence yo. They are robbing us under our noses and we are not talking about
me pam to mo kwahwe sa brante na owo nsira pam. Ne friend Nana Addo. Nana ya odwan to house and wine. Ni din ni de. Me pa to mo ko pe ni. Nana Jantua o display Mahama picture we ene Akufo-Addo picture no aye tutu na ni say oye galamse na the way I went trouble Mahama no back to back no
there be orimpo way me na amako ni me nyama de so meye no but enye sisi
mama yen we ni na afa yen si omo so proper na krofo we de yen nei
na sport level no caricatures amode Nana Addo eye ye wo kurom ha caricatures amode Nana Addo eye wo kurom ha Nana Addo complain one day grada and MPP for kasaye MPP for koma no tumu me say caricatures upon caricatures at TV3 F4 the year Nana Addo when the kasa wo kurom
I say Akufo-Addo the ente Akufo-Addo eda so yo 82 na ne wan ye ne ye say o de oman ni sika no a o de ahwe hiafo no so pen wa force hiafo no de ahwe na hiafo no ema me no wo mo ya oni wo mani so ade hunu no e de nsira bra Akufo-Addo de Akufo-Addo be 100 years no la otise obi papa when you can 63 years that's what the man is saying now.
Me say obi abe hu omo obi abe hu no rempon yeti kroma do mama wo se wonya skantua na sesefo ka wo wo se me tam 200 million e de akoton kokoma enkokoma na me amfa fia kwakwa beku by the time me se nkokɔ no mo banyi no na half ewu so wo se wonya skantua
what kind of leaders in yakwa is abego o man we mu no
wonya skantua na sesefo ka wo eso wonya sika de koton kokoma enkokoma nso mo se mo be ma district bia 10,000 kwakwa beku se nkokɔ no hu se nya se bia mo be sisi nkokɔ buo for district no na mo kasa omo be che e dia ma district fo na omo NDC fo na kasa kwa mo kukuro ni mu wa hwe nkoma na ye cha ebi nya bi
That's it for me.
because who voter regional population want to NDC they are more than 10,000
Ekuya me pacho nkukoma no san nkukoma no ban aban be mo feeding aka hwana
minim I report minim
so ekuya meba say sami nya abotre mama ekuya wo say almost some be district bia 10,000 right
10,000
okay meba
there were 200 10,000 every district. So put the population who constituency. And as the NDC for how you saying?
Meba, meba. Omo
the last time yes, our analysis we were
10,000 day-old checks in Omodema district.
Per constituency.
Is it constituency and I said district?
Constituency.
Okay, so your constituency, you were 276 constituencies, meboa.
Yes.
Okay, maybe. Let us
Me me see we
multiply
nyame na
by
me kan ya
10,000.
ayi a Greek minister ono ana de beto abonten.
Now,
And
so
you
we
first no move
multiply.
heard no more yo.
Maybe say something. Maybe we multiply 276 constituencies no by 10,000, and let's say it was say a ton 2.76 million.
Yeah.
Yes.
And almost almost got on.
On got 300 300.
Almost got 3 million.
3 million, sorry, 3 million.
Almost got 3 million. Okay. And what sort of can say about 240,000? Ebe catch, and you know the back on him.
I be on better good, so I don't know. Because a Greek minister na be kan.
Also my chair good so.
E be on better good, so. Kwa be